Evaluate the expression 2 times 4 squared minus 3 times the quantity of 5 plus 3. So when evaluating any expression, it's best to use the acronym of PEMDAS to help you know the order of operations you need to use. And when you have an expression with more than one grouping symbols, when the P in PEMDAS becomes a little more complicated than parentheses, it's best to know to just work from the inside out. Now here in this particular expression, we first notice we have parentheses around the 2 times 4, and then we have the brackets, and then we have parentheses around 5 plus 3. Now the parentheses inside the bracket of 2 and 4, those aren't operations, that's just the fixed values of 2 times 4, so we can go outward more to see that that's then 2 times 4 inside the brackets. So we can do that multiplication of 2 times 4 and get that that's 8. So that'll be 8 squared with 8 inside the bracket. And then separately, after that, we also have the 5 plus 3 inside parentheses. So now we can evaluate that to also be 8. Now we've kind of evaluated all of the grouping symbols. So now we move on to the E for exponents. We do have an exponent here. We have 8 squared, so that we can evaluate to be 64. We then have subtraction and multiplication. Multiplication comes first, so we're going to do that 3 times 8. So we're going to evaluate that to be 64 minus 3 times 8 is 24. So lastly, we can subtract and do 64 minus 24, which gives us our answer of 40, making the answer choice B.